Today you will be practicing again sharp sign. Remember, the sharp sign will tell you to play the very next key to the right, whether black or white. Or the same thing, you raise the key a half step. Pay attention to all what you know by now, which is legatos, staccatos, dynamics, and counting. Count steady and slow. Remember the first things that you need to check first. Which hand plays first, which finger, which note, and where is that note on the piano. Right hand, finger 1 on middle C. Left hand, finger 2 on A, bass clef. Look at your dynamics. We have mezzo forte on the first 2 lines and forte on the last 2 lines. Look your staccatos and then your legatos. Remember, break whenever you go from one legato to another legato, or from one legato to a note that is either staccato or non-legato. You need to break that connection of the sound. Pay attention to the rests. You have quarter rest, half rest, and whole rest. Also pay attention to the sharp sign rules. Remember, whenever you have a sharp sign in front of a note, that note will stay sharp for the rest of the measure. Once you pass the bar line and go to another measure, you need to write the sharp sign again. And also, for example, here, this G will be sharp also because it is on the same measure. Our finger 2 of left hand is going to play on A. Finger 1 of right hand is going to play on middle C. We have 4/4 time signature, which means 4 counts in each measure. The first 2 lines are going to be mezzo forte, and line 3 and line 4 will be forte. Watch staccatos and legatos. Also, you need to break from legato to staccato, like measure 2 and measure 3. Break that legato. You have many examples like that. Watch the quarter rests, half rest, and whole rests. Do you remember the value of each? And now let's remember about sharp sign. On measure 3, we have your first sharp sign, which is gonna be on the left hand on G. So that's going to be G sharp, this one here. And see, all the G's in that measure will be sharp. 2, 3, 4. Then on measure 4, since it's a new measure, you need a new sharp sign. But then you have another G there at the end of the measure. That one will be sharp 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can highlight that second G or just write a little sharp sign, so you will remember that that one is sharp 2. Let's play slow so you can see all the notes that are going to be sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then G sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4. And G sharp again. 2, and G sharp. Measure 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you see? All legato. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and then you release the legato. See, all legato from measure 7 to part of measure 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's go to the next line on measure 9. That's forte for the rest of the piece. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So remember disconnecting your legatos, for example, from measure 6 to measure 7 or from measure 14 to measure 15. 1, 2, 3, 4. Disconnect. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That was the last measure. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and remember the sharp sign rule. When you have a sharp sign in a note, that note will be sharp for the rest of the measure. Once you pass the bar line, you need to write the sharp sign again. Have a nice week and practice.